Who don't love an easy 30-minute one pan meal? So tonight, you guys, we are going to be making us a one pan chicken and veggie meal. The thing I love about these one pan meals is that you can pair pretty much any meat of your choice, or you can pair any vegetable of your choice. I found these purple potatoes at the market, y'all, and I just had to try them. I saw them and I was like, we're gonna put those on a one pan meal. Now I could not figure out if I wanted to roast them, if I wanted to just simply bake them or like cook them on top of the stove, but I decided to put them on that one pan meal. I'm also doing some sweet potatoes. My daughter, she loves sweet potatoes. She eats with her eyes, so I kind of knew that she was not going to try those purple potatoes. So I just went ahead and substituted her eating those with some sweet potatoes. How much you put on the pan is going to be based on how much leftovers you want or how many people you have to feed. For the most part, I only have to cook for 3 people. So I'm doing 5 with the purple potato. And my sweet potato was so big, y'all, I only had to cut up 1. This one pan meal can last us about 2 or so days, and that's including dinner and including lunch, because with potatoes, they're so filling, so you don't have to pile your plate up. I'm placing my potatoes on the serving tray because I'm going to go ahead and wash them once I get all my vegetables on this tray. Next, I am preparing some chicken thighs. I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can use skin on. Totally up to you. I sprinkled a little bit of some extra virgin olive oil so that those seasonings will stay sticking to my chicken while they're in the oven baking. So I'm doing some black pepper. I have some onion powder. I sprinkled some garlic powder. I have the Kinder's caramelized onion and the Kinder's lemon butter garlic. And I have to go in with that Italian seasoning. Y'all like to put Italian seasoning on everything. And then I do a little bit of some smoked paprika. And I added a little bit of some garlic paste. We're gonna go ahead and mix up some of that oil and put some seasoning in it so that I can put that on top of the vegetables. So I have my virgin olive oil again, y'all, and I'm just adding a little bit in there. I don't measure this portion, y'all. It's really to your liking. If you like yours lightly oiled, then just add a little bit of oil. I have some garlic powder, and then I'm going in with some Italian seasoning. I also did some onion powder, and I did a little bit of some dried thyme. That goes on top of my vegetables, and I just gently mix all of that up together. For my sweet potatoes, I'm just keeping it simple. I have a little bit of some organic cane sugar that I'm going to add to that. I did add a little bit of that extra olive virgin oil. If you don't want to use that, you can spray yours with some Pam spray or whatever, avocado oil spray, whatever oil you like to use. I am doing some cinnamon, and then I did a little bit of some nutmeg, and of course you got to add you a little bit of some vanilla, so I use some vanilla paste. On my chicken, y'all, I'm actually adding some of that Kinder's Black Cherry Chipotle sauce. This sauce give it like a little smoky flavor to it, and it's so good. That's very much optional. You can leave your chicken plain as is with the season on it. It still comes out very good. Once I got everything on my pan nice and spread it out how I like it, this can go in the oven at about 375. I did 380. And my pan actually ended up staying in the oven for about 45 minutes or so because the carrots took a little bit more longer. Everything came out delicious, tender, nice, and ready to either serve, or you can add this as a meal prep.